Have you ever paused to truly appreciate the incredible artistry and engineering within a timepiece? The delicate balance of precision, history, and human ingenuity that defines a watch? At the United States Gemological Institute, we understand this profound fascination. That's why we're proud to introduce our groundbreaking new program, the Certified Watch Professional course. This comprehensive course is your definitive gateway to unlocking the captivating world of horology. From humanity's earliest attempts to measure time to the intricate mechanical marvels of today, you'll embark on a journey that blends history, cutting-edge science, and breathtaking craftsmanship. Our curriculum is meticulously designed to build your expertise piece by piece. You'll delve deep into the anatomy of the mechanical watch, master iconic complications like the chronograph and tourbillon, explore diverse design aesthetics, and gain unparalleled insights into the legacies of the world's leading watch brands. We also cover the nuances of the modern market, the impact of quartz technology, smartwatches, and essential watch care. Whether you're a passionate collector seeking deeper knowledge, an aspiring watchmaker building your foundational skills, or a professional in the jewelry industry looking to elevate your expertise, this course will open new doors. Gain the confidence to speak authoritatively about horology, enhance your career prospects, and earn a prestigious certification that validates your specialized knowledge. The United States Gemological Institute is your trusted partner in specialized education. Join us and transform your passion into a certified profession. Visit the United States Gemological Institute today to learn more and enroll in the Certified Watch Professional course. Your journey into the heart of time awaits.